sucks, don't it? Would you rather be at work?
Suck it all, actually.
He's not letting us catch any fish today. Another slaw for Pete. Slavosaurus. That's the biggest one of the day. You better believe it. That's the biggest one of the trip so far, I think. It's a pattern on that head. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Got like a geometric pattern. Fish of the day here, boys.
That's a good one.
He's on fire. Can't stop him. He got the lean going. On the anchor rope. I like it. Oh, Jesus. This is awesome. One fish there. Nice flow. Another fish. Oh no.
I got mine on the iceberg.
Oh, you're on the ice. Oh no.
Spin, ice, spin.
What? You can just hear that stuff breaking up.
I know I can't force it so I can clear it.
Oh. The whole program's cocked, boys.
I know, the whole program is cocked now, boys.
You're fighting that iceberg and the fish. Worth it.
I don't know what's going on for him, but it's not going to be
It's all cattywampus.
Oh no. She's dicked.
You digged her. Oh, that's a thick sheet too. You see that? It's like a foot thick. Oh, you're in deep.
Started to turn. Now what?
Jeez.
Go, bitch, go!
For that thing to pop and get it right in the eyeball. There you go. Ooh. Hello. Attaboy. Not slowing down. Whoa. Darren's like laying back on the gunwale to get as much leverage as he can on it. Can't get on it. Well, we got two people coming in now. One guy sees us. I think I got a good grip on the rod. How'd you loosen it from? Yeah, thanks to Rob for the nice grips there.
Your body position shows.
I like the technique though, leaving on the side. That's just a little guy. All right.
Just roll for this one.
Maybe a 75-pound little guy, 80 pound or more. Oh, geez, that's a monster.
Oh, it's in a good spot right there.
Yeah, get her. She's right on. You're standing on her.
Are we going to
the tip of the tail. It's 65. Woo! Like that. 65-26. Ready? Hit it. We're going for it, dude. Oh no.
Oh, you got one.
Points out. Here. Just picked a random spot in the river. Gotta love the fighting the fish while the chef works over here. Spinning the boat. Oh no! Oh no! Fish is bigger than you think, I think. Missed the ball. Oh! Nice rig. That swirl was way behind where that was. Always rolling.
Bubbles hit.
This never fails. You fire up the grill. Got some ribeyes now. Guess who's got a fish? Oh, that's hilarious. We were cooking pork loins the last time you hooked up. That is a big fish, man. Hey, look at the tail. Look at that. It's just, look at the frequency of this. Look at his rod. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's not even moving. Watch that rod tip. He has not head shake like one time. I'm just going to the boat so I can get my rod out of the way. Oh, he's gonna jump. Oh my gosh. That's the biggest fish of the trip, I guarantee it. Oh my god.
Don't do that.
Oh, he jumped and now he's going.
That is at least a 65. That might be big. Oh my god. That is just monstrous. Oh my gosh, that's huge.
Well, let me know what you need in there. Because I'm going to be going steak.
Like you got a couple minutes. It's yet. Close. If he gets it up to the surface here, you can slide it right into the net.
You get it close. I will slide.
I simply can't believe the size of this fish, though. It's just a beast. I think it's close. Feeling like it's close.
Oh.